Well, hello and welcome to Jimmyism TV. We're doing a little unboxing. I bought some fans, and this is the Redux Noctua NF-P12 and redux-1700 PWM fan. So that's pretty cool. Let's check it out. I've never bought fans from Noctua before, so I've heard they are better. This is also the cheaper series, I guess. So we have some info on it, 12 volt, but let's get into it. It's 4-pin fans. I'm going to install this one on my radiator. I also bought a new cooler, but I heard the stock fan on that cooler is not the best, so I bought this one instead to change that one. Ooh, nice carton. Ooh, looks really nice. It's a nice presentation. It's not overly packaged, but it still displays some kind of quality. I guess the fan will survive pretty rough treatment by for example, the Swedish Postal Service. That's absolutely terrible. And then it's good that it's good, well packed. Alright. Yeah. Yes. This feels sturdy. The plastic feels pretty heavy. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't call myself a fan expert in this moment, but it feels like a pretty good quality fan. You know, it's heavier than the fans I do have from Cooler Master and it's some other brand. I don't know what fans I have. Maybe, you know, little rough plastic, but it's the cheaper series, but I don't know, it's not much. I mean, I wouldn't notice it very much. They're going to be in the computer. And, well, I love just, you know, spinning it. You can't feel anything, you just feel that there is a slight wind when doing it. Well, it looks pretty cool. It will be exciting to install this in my chassis. And what more is there to say? I mean, gonna be interesting to mount this on my cooler, and we'll see how it performs. Looks like a quality fan anyways. Anyhow, see you around. This is Jimmyism Total Nerdy Channel signing out. Oh, Jimmyism TV I mean. Signing out. Bye.